Hi guys, it's your teacher Diana Cano. In this week we are going to start working in our book number 2. The book number 2 starts with the unit 5, environmentally friendly. Okay, remember that we already worked some activities here in Digital Wave as the page exploring the topic. Because you already worked this part in the portfolio activity, the Living Mind Map, you also already make the in the page. You already work it. You make the translation of the words and you send me by email, and also you work the recorders of the conversation that we have in the page 270. Okay, so we are going to start working in the listening page. So for this page, you have to enter to the AMCO platform and you have to use the information that I give you with the user and the password where you can enter and listen the audios. The track that we are going to use for this page is the 27. So you are going to listen the track and then you are going to put a check in the topic that are discussed in the audio. Okay, you are going to do in the first exercise. Then you are going to circle the correct ending for each statement. Remember that this part is also according with the track that you already have to hear. In this activity, you are going to work individual, okay, and you are going to think about the benefits of using the bike as a means of transportation and list your arguments on the lines provided. You are going to work individual, remember. Okay, when you finish, you are going to think about what do you think these idioms from the conversation means. What do you mean for you? On the same page, at your fingertips. Okay, you can use the help of the internet for you can have an idea. Also, you have a language check, but you are not going to work it because we are going to work this part in the video conference. We are going to make it together, so don't do it until Tuesday. On the page 219, we have the vocabulary builder. We have a subletter. You are going to listen to track 24. Here are the words from the vocabulary. You are going to practice your pronunciation. Then you are going to find the 12 vocabulary words in the puzzle. Okay, in this subletter. Okay. When you finish, you are going to complete this part. You have to write many verbs refer to environmental protections. Action start with the prefix RE. You are going to work this part individual and you are going to write as many words that you know or you can find new ones. Okay. Then you are going to put what vocabulary words are synonymous with the following words. Okay. A synonym for quite, somewhat, a synonym for by means of, a synonym for effect, consequence, do something, bicycle, very long line of cars, buses, trains, trials, preserve, protect. You are going to write a synonym for each word. And we are going to finish with the page of speaking on the page 220. You are going to listen to track 27. Remember that you can find the text of these audios on the page 323. So if you have troubles to listen, you can read it on the page 323. Okay, so when you listen or read the conversation, you are going to answer these questions. You are going to make an additional sheet and then you are going to put in your portfolio. You are going to answer these questions about you know and about what you heard in the track 27. Okay, when you finish to answer the questions, you are going to put in this part how much do you know about the overwords you are going to fill in this chart. You are going to put what I know, do you know about these overboards, okay, and what you would like to know, okay. Here what you already know, and here what you would like to know about this mean of transportation, okay. Then we have these activities that we are not going to work it. Don't worry, you don't have to put in pairs and you are not going to work in groups. We are going to finish with this chart.